In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back a WooCommerce update fast and easy. If you've recently updated WooCommerce and started encountering issues, rolling back to a previous version could help you solve these problems without much hassle. So let's dive into the steps and get your WooCommerce running smoothly again. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything on your WordPress site, including plugins like WooCommerce. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Plugins option in the menu. Give it a click to open up a page that lists all your installed plugins. Next, click on the Add New button. This will guide you to a page where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search box that appears, type in WP Rollback. The WP Rollback plugin is a handy tool that allows you to revert to previous versions of any installed plugin, including WooCommerce. Once you find WP Rollback in the search results, go ahead and click Install Now. Assuming you haven't installed WP Rollback before, once it's installed, the option will change to Activate. Click on Activate to get WP Rollback up and running on your site. Activating a plugin makes its features available to use immediately, so it's an important step in the installation process. Once activated, return to your dashboard and this time click on Tools in the menu. In the sub-menu that appears, you'll find an entry for WP Rollback. Click on it and you'll be taken to a list of all the plugins on your site that are compatible with WP Rollback. Locate WooCommerce from this list, since that's the plugin you want to roll back. Now it's time to choose the specific version you want to revert to. After selecting the version, verify that it's the correct one for your needs. Versions are typically listed in descending order, with the newest at the top, so you'll see several past versions to choose from. Once you've made your selection, proceed to click Rollback. You'll be prompted to confirm this action. This confirmation step is crucial, as it ensures you're aware that you're replacing the current version with an older one. Click Confirm, and the rollback process will begin. WooCommerce will automatically downgrade to the version you selected, ensuring that you can get back to business as usual with minimal downtime or issues. And that's it. Rolling back your WooCommerce version is that straightforward. By returning to a previous version, you can maintain your site's stability while waiting for updates or troubleshooting any compatibility problems you're encountering with the newer version. Thank you for watching, and happy WooCommerce managing!